In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add tabbed content in WordPress. Having tabbed content can help keep your posts organized, and it's super easy to create. Go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type tabs, shortcode, and widget, and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. And then once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugins page. Now let's create a new post. And if you notice, there's a new tool here. Click on it. And then click on Tabs Layout. First, you can choose how many tabs you want from here. Then, in Style, you can choose if you want horizontal or vertical tabs. And then you need to fill out all the tabs information. Lastly, you can add some custom CSS here. So after you've added the tabs information, click on Insert, and the plugin automatically adds the shortcodes in the text. Click on Preview to see the post. And you can see that the content is in tabbed format. This is how you can add tabbed content in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.